The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a premium smartwatch designed for adventure enthusiasts and fitness lovers alike. Featuring a robust titanium case and sapphire crystal glass, it's built to endure the toughest conditions while maintaining a sleek, modern look. With a 45mm display, the watch offers a crisp AMOLED screen that's easy to read even in direct sunlight. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro boasts impressive battery life, lasting up to 80 hours on a single charge, perfect for long hikes or busy days. It shines in health and fitness tracking, equipped with advanced sensors to monitor heart rate, SpO2 levels, body composition, and even sleep. The new GPX route tracking is a standout feature for outdoor adventurers, offering turn-by-turn navigation and the ability to import custom routes. Powered by Wear OS, the watch provides seamless integration with Android devices, access to Google Play apps, and excellent voice assistant support. While the design is bulky for some, the performance, durability, and features make it worth the investment.